shake it, shake it. She like the way that I dance, she like the way that I move, she like the way that I rock, she like the way that I woo, and she let it clap for a nigga.
Yeah. Yeah, wait, it's your way. Pour some drinks, just a couple. I know you've been through pain. There's some things I can't undo. You don't need no stress. Let me take away your troubles. You gon' make me call my ex and let her know how much I love you. Yeah, I love your peace of mind. I love your conscience. Ain't no options. My apple meets the eyes. Ain't no stopping. Yeah, my heart's been back and forth. Trapped and bored inside a magic floor behind a padded door. All my emotions in the attic stored inside a bag of orbs in a cabin drawer. And you wonder why a nigga playing hard to get. So hard to get. That shit's hard to fix. I just want peace and some common sense. And I ain't really into the arguing, so I hope you're not upset. I know you're not done yet. And I know you like drunk sex. I hope you ain't come yet. You wanna hop up on me like dubstep, then pop up on me like drug tests. But I'm living and I learn how to love less. Wanna hit me where it hurts like a cup check. Oh damn, that's painful. That's okay then. You're my future. That's so raven. That's amazing. We divine. Let me free your soul. Let me